So hi guys, welcome for today's video. I'm going to share with you on how to make pilau, an African meal. This is Madhika Kuve channel. Remember to subscribe, comment, share widely. So we will start with the ingredients or what we need. First, I have my rice over here. This is my rice. Yes, I have meat. Yes, we are going to use it. I have the garlic is here, and ginger. Yeah, you have seen. I have my red onion. Yes, and matchstick, of course, to light the jiko. So I have the pilau masala. Yeah, you can see it's from Tropical Heat. I have salt. Obviously, every meal needs a salt seasoning. There is oil. Yes, I'm going to use Rina. Yes, so the other things we are going, I have the mwiko. That's an African tool for cooking. So, and I have a sufuria. This is where I'm going to do it. Yes, and my source of it. So, follow and don't forget to subscribe. So you can comment down there on how you do yours. This is how I do mine. So welcome. So we start by preparing the onion. So the pilau is ready now. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and wait for more videos. Thank you. Bye.